We are looking at a semi-fractional Skeg design. My boat has this design. My boat is from Sweden, and this happens to be the method they employed for their rudder on this sailboat. The features are such that this is a safety feature. This is called a semi-fractional Skeg. So instead of going all the way to the bottom, which would be the strongest, they put the Skeg right here where it interlocks into the rudder. One nice feature about this is that it gives you safety, but it also gives you the ability to make a balanced rudder so that the front portion of the rudder is sticking out into the flow of the boat, and that'll give you your rudder balanced steering. It's also a safety feature opposed to a fully spade rudder, which has no Skeg at all. That's more susceptible to falling out of the boat, either by failure in the top portion, any of these locking devices here, or sometimes the rudder post itself, the stainless steel that's embedded in the fiberglass, will corrode and release itself while you're sailing, usually, and then next thing you know, you have no rudder at all. The entire rudder is gone. And that happened to quite a few friends. It's more common than it seems. So this gives you a nice amount of safety, because if it fails here, it'll be caught right here. And also if it fails here, it'll also be caught right here. If this fails, you're basically running a spade rudder, which should be okay. So you've got a good layer of protection. Okay, so now if you're in my case and you're wondering how do you release this rudder for inspection and service, so there's three options. Either you grind into the fiberglass here and have access to bolts, or you grind into the rudder here and have access to bolts, or you grind into the rudder here and have access to bolts. So there's three main options depending on your specific boat, and basically you just need to grind down past the gel coat and into the structure a little bit just to see, are there metal plates here, here, or here. In my case, it was here in the smallest portion. Looking at a top-down view, this was the thinnest amount of fiberglass in the arrangement. So that's what I did, and that's why I'm sharing it with others. Cheers.